with this, and then I made another backwards seat. That was hot. Welcome to part 3 of the railroad spike knife. Alright, so last time we got all the way through forming the blade and the bevel and the twist. I twisted it the wrong way, like a genius. So now it's time to start all the way over. Ah, that's all right. It's kind of fun to do anyway. Let's do it. So I've drawn out the length of the blade and I put in the bevel, and here we are right now. It's looking really good, pretty straight enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the handle in the fire and twist it up and do it right this time. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? You see I twisted it the right way. Made a C right in here, and then I made a backward C up at the top. So it's got a pretty straight, pretty true. Now I'm gonna heat treat it. I'm gonna heat it up and dunk it in the water, and put it back on the fire and draw out some temper colors. Till it's about a blue, you know, straw maybe. And then in the next video, I'm gonna take it to the shop, grind it up. I'm gonna polish it a little bit, you know, wire brush it to get the get some of the scale off, and then put an edge on it. But let's get to the heat treat. There it is, forged and heat treated. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it to the shop. I'm gonna wire brush some of the scale off. I'm gonna grind this guard up a little bit, grind these corners a little bit, grind this bevel and the tip, and we'll have a finished railroad spike knife. After that, you know, we'll do a sheath, and I just don't know what all. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in part 4.